This video, and this video all have one thing in common. AI made them. They also have something else in common. They all converted sales for simple AliExpress products. See, UGC is one of the most powerful ad formats on the internet right now. If you scroll on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, you're seeing it everywhere constantly. It feels native, it feels real, and it doesn't give overproduced ad. See, the typical process of UGC is quite slow and expensive. You have to find influencers, contact them, negotiate rates. Not only that, once the content is filmed, you have to deal with the revisions, sometimes the reshoot. And let's not forget that every single angle will cost you money. You have to take into account that there can be delays if people get sick or they have their own problems. That's why I found a simple solution that brands are actively using right now to create UGC super quickly, super efficiently, and most importantly on a budget. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the exact strategy that these companies are using so you can also create high converting UGC ads without having to film anything yourself. I'll walk you through the exact workflow from idea to finished ad, and I'll even break down exactly what makes or breaks a good UGC ad. As an example, check out this video.
No more leaks or spills in my bag. The locking lid is a game changer. Get yours before they sell out.
You see how it hits? This video here hits all of the key points that you would need in a high converting ad. It hooks curiosity, implies a problem, signals a solution, and feels personal. This is the exact structure that we're looking for. Now let me show you how to do this using a platform called Create UGC. It does exactly what the name suggests, so it creates UGC ads for you from scratch. And this is the exact platform that I've been using to batch create UGC ads to promote absolutely any product that you can possibly think of in seconds. First thing that we're gonna do is head over to Create UGC. I have the link down in my description so you can create an account for free. Once you're inside, this is what the dashboard is gonna look like. Once you're inside your account, what you're gonna do is click on New Video. By the way, I do want to mention that this entire process from start to finish will take you probably under 3 minutes to create an entire UGC video. The first thing that we're going to need to do is paste our product into here. Now keep in mind that you could literally go on AliExpress and find the exact product that you're promoting. So let's say, for example, you're drop shipping, I don't know, the candle or the drone. You can go ahead and paste that in. First things first, you need to provide your product. So if you're drop shipping as an example, you will probably pull in a link from AliExpress or Alibaba, so you can go ahead and paste that directly. Or let's say you have your own product that you've made from scratch. Let's say you have a homemade skincare brand. You can go ahead and paste the exact details of your product into it so it will fully understand exactly what you're trying to promote. If you are promoting your own product, you would click on add product manually, and then you would insert all of the listing details that you'll probably have on your website. For the purpose of this video, I've decided to do a sports headband that I've been seeing really commonly, that I've been seeing go viral on TikTok for girls that do Pilates and stuff so that they don't sweat out their hair. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link and paste that directly into Create UGC. From here, you can choose the video type, so you can do the video reaction, which is almost like the stitch style that you see on TikTok, or obviously your AI influencer actually holding the product, which in my opinion is always super effective. From here, I'm going to click next. And as you can see, it's pulled up the exact listing for the product. So you have the product name, the description, and now you have all of the images that were attached to that. From here, make sure that you select the image that's most relevant to what you're promoting. For example, in my case, it's going to be the pink headband because I'm going to be promoting to women specifically. Now we can move on to the video settings. So this is where you can choose exactly what social media platform this video is going to be made for. As you can see, you can select Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter. Whatever you select, it will automatically apply the aspect ratios, so you don't have to go and adjust anything. Now, this step is actually one of the most important steps in my opinion, and that is choosing the right actor for your ad. I think one of the biggest mistakes that brands and obviously just normal people make when they're creating UGC ads is that they're not fully tailoring it to how their audience thinks and speaks. I feel like a lot of the times they pick a random AI character, paste in a very generic script, and then just generate the video and hope that it works. That's not a strategy. That is not how you get ads that convert. The reason why good UGC ads tend to convert is because people connect with the characters. They feel like they're a part of something rather than someone just screaming buy this product at them. UGC works because of relatability. The viewer needs to subconsciously be thinking, wow, this person is just like me, or you know what, they really understand me. If the actor doesn't match the audience, the ad will not perform no matter how good it is. Think about it, if you had a man promoting hair extensions, it obviously wouldn't convert, as well as a woman being in an ad and showing off hair extensions. Context matters, and obviously understanding your audience is the key to making this work. So before you generate any actors, you really need to sit there and define exactly who your target audience is. What is their age? What is their lifestyle? Their aesthetic? Are they fitness focused? Are they young professionals? Are they busy moms? Whatever AI actor you choose needs to reflect that. Now, as you can see, Create UGC gives you a whole bunch of actors. Some of them already come with voices that match perfectly. You're able to choose the gender and also the ethnicity of your characters to make the casting process a lot more simple. This right here is the AI actress that I've chosen. I do want to note as well that one of the new features is that you can also add an image of yourself as the avatar. So you can literally create UGC ads yourself, but using AI. For this video specifically, I'm going to be choosing this model, and now I'm ready to move on to the next step. Now, the beautiful thing about Create UGC is that not only does it come up with a script, it comes up with 3. So you have more than one option pre-written for you to continue with. I highly suggest that you read all 3 of them and pick the one that really connects with you the most. If you feel like you want to go in and manually tweak it, you're also able to do so. One thing that I typically like to do when I'm making longer UGC ads is I'll add in like a personal story. Also, I'll tweak any parts if it sounds like it's too salesy or unnatural. Like as an example, if I was promoting health supplements instead of this improves your energy, I would script something like I stop crashing every afternoon thanks to this product. These small tweaks make the script sound way more human. Think of the AI script that you're provided with as just a draft instead of a final version. In my opinion, it's absolutely necessary for you to go in and refine it and add that little personal touch to it. Anyways, now we're on to the final step. So all we need to click is next, and it's going to start generating the final ad. So our video is ready. Let's have a look.
If you're a Pilates babe, you need to get you a sweatband to maintain your blowouts. I don't have to wash my hair every gym session thanks to this sweatband I found on TikTok Shop.
Okay, I'm very happy with how this came out. One of the great things about it is that you can also add text if you want to. I usually leave it exactly how it is so I can post it to the platform with the text that's on the platform. So as an example, if I'm posting it on Snapchat, that's where I'll put the text into. If I'm using Instagram, I'll use the Instagram text. Same for TikTok and so on. I feel like one of the best things about creating UGC ads using AI is that you can test so many times because of the fact that the cost of experimentation is significantly lower. You don't have to depend on one version of an ad. You can literally create tens or hundreds of ads for one single product for a fraction of the price. And this is the reason why so many companies are slowly resorting to AI influencers. Back then, testing a creative would cost the company thousands of dollars to be able to pay the creators for their time and also for the licensing for the videos. Instead, they're able to generate ads in a single day. And that speed changes everything for companies. It changes everything for affiliate marketers, dropshippers, even actual agencies offering UGC services. It gives small businesses the same opportunities as big companies when it comes to advertising. Now, I do want to mention that this is absolutely not about replacing creators. It's more so about increasing output and reducing the friction between getting an ad made and published and actually converting sales. I'm literally just putting you guys onto the future of UGC very early because of the fact that in the next 5 years, creating UGC content with AI is estimated to blow up to around 250%. And whether you like it or not, AI is constantly advancing and you need to keep up with it or get left behind. Now, if you want the exact prompts that I use, my script framework, and a deeper breakdown of how I structure my high converting UGC ads, comment the word UGC down in the comments. And if you have any questions at all, drop them down in the comments. I'll be sure to reply. Best of luck, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.